Right, so I was just looking at tutorials in this new Model Y that I've got currently at the moment, and if you go on the little tab here and go into manual, say you've just got your car, and you tap set up your new Model Y with onboarding guide and go start, it is no longer just videos on YouTube that you're watching, it's a full screen interactive demonstration, and I'm going to go through it. So it takes about 10 minutes. I'll go here, start. So I'd say very helpful for those that I guess just got into their car. I think it's new, I'm not sure, I'm not aware of this, but check it out. So explore your new Model Y. Guide takes about 10 minutes. Swipe down from the top of the screen to exit at any time. Start. So it's showing you how to adjust your seat, get it in the right position, just up on your right, so you're learning that. Very cool. Next one, adjusting your side mirrors. You don't need to go through any menus. This interactive tutorial is doing it right now. So if I click on the left there, and it's saying use the scroll wheel here to go left and right, in my actual vision here, is that moving? Yep, that's moving. Very cool. So that's good. Next, adjust the steering wheel. Oh yeah, well this just... Yeah. I've not seen this, so it is not how I remember doing an onboarding on a Model 3 when I got mine back in 2021. It's completely different. It was all about going through this menu, changing this, doing this. Now it's just all on the screen. Very easy. Homepage layout. It's telling you, you've just got into a Tesla. What is all this about? Set vehicle functions, adjust cabin temperature, and access more apps. So, cabin temperature. Yep, cool. Navigation, shows you on the big screen. Enter destination, yep. Even weather, yep, that's cool. Next. Charging locations. Just like when you're in the normal Tesla and you want to know charging availability, how many cars are at the chargers, yep, shows you there. The status bar at the top is telling you the time. That's interesting, because in our region we don't have an SOS thing at the top there. It must just be specific to this tutorial, but yeah, that's cool. Next. Tap the temperature number at the bottom of the screen. Yes. Oh yeah, cool. Yep, to adjust whatever you want. Dynamic settings. Wow. Yeah, that's also a thing. Some people driving these Teslas are not aware of being able to adjust the regenerative braking. Some people don't like it, but the most efficient drive is you leave it in standard. But if you're just transitioning from a normal petrol car to an electric, and you're used to the free roll and putting your foot on the brake pedal and that, you can put it in reduced and then eventually transition to standard. Steering wheel light, yep, that's cool. Go on next. Your foot pedals, before shifting gears, press the brake pedal. Yep, that's normal. Shows you how to shift into drive, swipe up. This is a demonstration only, the vehicle won't shift gears, so we'll practice. Done. Slide down. You reverse, hold in the middle. There, you're in park. Awesome. This is cool. Function keys. The vehicle's multifunction steering wheel allows you to control light, wipers, and autopilot features. So yes. They're all there. Voice commands. Rear view mirror camera. Yep. In an emergency, press the hazard lights to activate all signal lights. Press it again to turn it off. In an emergency, press the P, R, N, or D on the roof console to shift gears. So these ones, maybe it doesn't want to show. They usually will light up when you've actually got the car. Probably not in this tutorial. You'll have what's displayed here on the screen. Explore more and go now. To learn more about how to use the vehicle, watch the videos. Yep, okay. And then we exit. So I did all through those in less than 5 minutes. Very easy. And yeah, if you want more tutorials, click on that. And then it's going to show you, how do you open the glove box? Select the car icon and then press glove box. But if you want to cheat, press glove box. Open straight away. Okay. Yeah, very quick. I definitely would say that in the new Model Ys and the new Model 3s that the opening of the glove box is very sudden. Let me just put my torch on there so you can see it in action when I press this glove box. Ready? Glove box. Soft open, soft close. The space that's in there is nowhere near as much space as what the previous generations have. Don't know why. But yeah, that's Model Y tutorial. Awesome.